Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this video is on ticker symbol PROG, which is PROG for Progenity. And you know that their stock was on a fire at one point. It went to $5, $6. We made a lot of money from day trading and swing trading. After that, it has been coming down slowly, and most probably it has found a bottom, and now this thing is reversing back. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about PROG stock because many people ask, is it a good time to enter? At the same time, if you want to do some day trading, swing trading, even option trading on this particular one, I'm going to talk about it. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like this particular video, subscribe to my channel, and also join my community. So first of all, PROG did a really good thing on Friday. It was up by 5.47%. After our up by 0.7%, in total 6% up. Last 5 days, you can see it had a nice run to 1.5, came down, and again it is trying to go back up. So this is the thing, right? It went up, came down, again it is trying to go back up. I will talk more about the chart. I will come back to the chart. Before that, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you watch my latest video on Zilla. Make sure, because it just came out this morning, and it was also a good trade for us, especially on Friday. We did almost like 20% gain. The morning alert came around 0.55, it went to 0.65. Nice trade. Other video I have on ticker symbol TSRI. This thing is also looking really nice. If volume comes, this thing will fly. Also, if you like chart based trading based on support, resistance, and you like early alert, then please join my Patreon community. Just go there, join my community. At the same time, get access to my Discord for getting live alert. So let's talk about PROG. First of all, if you go to NASDAQ, it has a current hold rating, but the average price target is $3 with a high of 4 and a low of 2. And if you look at the PROG chart, I'm gonna hide everything and I'll just get out. You can see how the price moved actually. So the first time in my channel, if you're following my channel, we entered this particular stock around 0.9 cent. So from 0.9 it went all the way to $6. So consistently we made money just looking at the channel. It goes up and down, up and down. That was a nice trade. Since then it has been coming down, 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 right? So this is the first of all, this is the trend. It came again to 1.1 and now it might be reversing, or it might come back to 1.1, or it might come back to 0.9. I will talk for sure. But if you go to the regular volume, the average volume is 11 million. Last Friday volume was only 7 million, nothing exciting. In terms of volume, this thing is lagging some volume. If the volume is dying, so the price is coming down. If we see more volume, definitely this thing will go higher. There are so many rumors of buyout, big partnership, so many things. So any kind of good news will send this higher and higher. In terms of short interest, if you go to Fintel, the short interest is 9.7%, not bad at all. Currently, only 0.6 million shares are available to short. Cost to borrow fee rate is 9.3%, not bad. And by the way, if you like to join my YouTube community and support, then you can also click and join. Also the same thing, if I go to shortablestock.com, almost the same information. I'm going to talk about option, and I want to talk about the price action. So let's have a look on the stock. So this is PROG. First of all, this thing has been coming down, right? That's the most important thing. So what is the most important thing is this is on a downtrend. If I draw a line, the blue line here, it has been making lower high, right? It's coming down, down, down. Also, if I add one more line here, you can also you can draw like this. Maybe don't like this. So anyway, not a big deal, but lower high, lower lows, that's the entire thing. What happened? We were looking for 0.9 entry because, you know, due to an offering and everything, it came to 0.9. It was having a hard time breaking 1.2 resistance. Then it broke 1.2, came back and made 1.2 as the new support, and the whole journey started from there. Now this time it broke 1.2, it came to 1.1. And why 1.1? I can add one more line here just to show you, just to show that this area 1.1, 1.2, this area was a previous resistance. Now still this is looking like a good support. So it bounced from that 1.1 line, went all the way to 1.5, again came back. So what is happening now? It is holding the 1.3 as a support, and if I draw this blue line, this is the uptrend. This thing can again go up, hit the 1.5 and come back. In that case, your lower high, the blue line, is acting like a resistance. But if we see more volume, this thing goes up, breaks 1.5, breaks the blue line, starts going higher, then you can say the trend has reversed. Still, you do not know because this thing can go up, hit the blue line, come back. But if you really love PROG for long term and also for a longer swing, if you anticipate they will come up with some good news, in that case, maybe buying around 1.1 or 0.9 is not that bad. Because if you look at the chart, that the share price was way higher, right? They did a stock offering and everything. It came back to 0.7, then sometime it was around 0.9. So 1.1 or maybe 0.9 can be a good entry point. If you are planning for a longer hold, I would say divide your money in 3 chunks, then get at 1.1, then maybe 0.9, and if it goes back to 0.6, then, because in this market nothing is guaranteed. We do not know anything about the market. It's just coming down and down. So always be prepared and do not invest all your money in one shot. Also make sure this is a penny stock, so there is always a risk. If you want to play with call option, let's say, in that case you can just buy an option way outside the money. If you think this is a good one, it will recover. Maybe you can choose something, let's say next year January. This is a leap option, what we call long expiry date. After 1 year, so $1 is strike. One call option is only $70, meaning that by 1 year PROG will go to 1.7. Current price is 1.3, so why not? It can go there, right? And it's not very expensive. So you can always buy a long expiry, a call option. Just hold it for 1 year, and if you think it will go back to $2, $3, or even more, you can make more money. If you want, you can buy a long out of the money strike price, just $33 for each option, and you just make money. Anyway, it's up to you how you want to play. You can play with share, you can play with option, but if you're buying an option, I would say just buy a long expiry because it is not very expensive, and in the event it moves sideways, it comes down, your option will not become worthless, so you have a lot of time. So my only recommendation will be to buy a long expiry call option, or just play with the shares. Also check my other video on Zilla because this thing is also looking nice. TSRI also looking nice. Same time, if you're part of my community, I already posted some alert for day trade on Monday and swing trade even for option. So make sure you are connected with me if you're part of my community and we are making money. Thanks again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, join my community, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this video. Take care and peace.